What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing and welcome back to another video. Today we have these two Ford Mustangs, the custom 18 Ford Mustang GT as well as a 2005 Ford Mustang, and I'm going to show you all about these two cars. And the main reason why I'm actually unboxing them is because of this. So this whole spoiler lip thing that can be adjusted, and I'll show you that in a bit as well. But yeah, so really amazing cars. I'm super amped to have this. So they are from the same series, the spoiler alert. The GT is 175th edition and the Ford Mustang is 146th. And we are going to unbox the cars. And there you go. Amazing cars. I'm super amped to have them in the collection. And yeah, we're going to start off with the 2005 Ford Mustang because we're going to leave the best for the last. Anyway, we're just going to follow the daily routine. We're going to start with the right of the vehicle and then we'll, drive around, we'll move around the car. So yeah, we're going to see right the back the Hotwheels logo with the checkered flags, and you can see the wheels. If you realize, guys, the wheels are different colors, and this is something you see in both the cars. So yeah, the back is the black with yellow trim and the front has the gray wheels. And now we are going to move to the front of the vehicle. Same design carries on, the Hotwheels logo, the Ford Performance logo, as well as the checkered flag design from the roof to the bonnet as well. And yeah, so here's the whole lip thing that it's going on. So it's really cool. However, for this, actually I'm quite disappointed because it doesn't really stay in its position. It kind of folds back upward, which is kind of disappointed. It's kind of disappointing, not gonna lie. I expected it to work way better than that, but this is what we have to deal with. I don't really see a way I can fix that. Anyways, we're gonna move on to the left of the vehicle. Same design carries forward, and of course you can see the fender flares right there, really wide. It's very girthy, I'm not gonna lie. And yeah, the same thing with the wheels. And now at the back, Girth Nation, welcome back to the channel, because that is one thick vehicle. I really have no idea what all of these are, because it's all painted black and there isn't much information. But the spoiler is small, but all the other accessories at the back, it's insane. And you can see the plastic headlight, the rear light temple, and that is a really nice little detail, nice touch to put plastic temples right there. And yeah, so this whole chunk of a rear end of this vehicle, really amazing. And now if we're just going to quickly look at the base of the car, you can see the Ford Mustang, the copyright logo, and yeah, relatively well designed base, I would say, with the transmissions and the drive shafts. You can see all of these, which is, yeah, like I mentioned, it's always a great thing to see. And so now we're going to move on to the second vehicle, the custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. And I must say, compared to the first vehicle, I love this way more. I think everything about this car is amazing, from the paint job to everything else. So yeah, we're just gonna dive right in. So you can see the spoiler alert, which is like the main decal, and of course there's all these sponsorship decals as well around the door and the rear fender as well. And then the best thing, or I think the first thing that would have attracted attention is this, the difference in the wheel color. And compared to the first car, this has a more contrasting difference, the white and the gold accent. So yeah, I think it really goes well. I'm super pumped to have this. And if you move on to the front, relatively simple, similar to the first car, right? You've got the whole, if you guys realize, you've got this whole like diagonal decal thing going on. So of course this is spoiler alert with the Hot Wheels logo, and there isn't a checkered flag for this, which thank God. I'm not a really huge fan of checkered flag. And of course you can see the roof scoop as well, which I will show you in a bit as well. But this, the lip at the front, that's what I want to talk to you about. And this is way better done. This is so much better done than the first car. The functionality or the system here is slightly different as well, so it holds onto the position much way better, with the hooks that are there. You can see right there, if you guys can have a look. And yeah, so we just move on to the left side of the vehicle. Left is fairly similar. You can see the steering wheel right there. I would have loved to have a little bit more details in the interior. It's an all white interior, but it's okay. And if you move on to the back, of course you can see the spoiler and the rear end. So of course, if you guys know the classic Ford Mustangs, this is what the back end looks like. And I think Hot Wheels really did an amazing job to replicate the Ford Mustang, and it was really nice, really well done. You can see the headlights, the curvatures of the vehicle, which is just ever so amazing. But obviously one drawback would be, I would have wanted a bit more color, at least some details, maybe the rear light details and stuff, because compared to the black car, this has more. This is a very plain vehicle at the back, but obviously the sides and the front compensates for that. So I think overall this is a way better car, and of course, like I mentioned to you, the roof scoop right there, which is a very nice little touch. The previous car didn't have a roof scoop. And yeah, so let me know in the comments below, guys, out of these two cars, which would you like and why. And now we're going to do a few rolling shots, and I'll see you at the end. The description box for my social medias. Just keep in touch and look up for more updates. But just like that, guys, this video is over and I'm out. Bye.